Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dear sister. Hope you are doing well, and I appreciate your support so much. Right now in Gaza, there is no specific projects to do. People are in the streets, in the hospitals, in the schools. They are looking for food. The link which I sent to you is Friendship for Relief and Development. They are a team who's working in Gaza, and the funds is going to them directly through their bank account. They are working there providing food, trying to provide food. And honestly, to be honest with you, there is no enough food in Gaza. People are right now relying on what's inside Gaza only, on the local markets. And these local markets will be finished soon because the farmers is not working, the shops are not open, and things like that. Keep Gaza on your dua. And yes, you can use the link, which actually an emergency appeal. I appreciate your support.